Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram Reels quality. To know how to fix Instagram Reels quality, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps here, default apps, the app settings. Then in this page, you will go down to find the application of Instagram here. And when you will see this page, you will go to force stop, and when you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page, you will click clear cache, then you will click clear data, and after that you can turn off your Wi-Fi, so that you can know how to fix Instagram story Reels quality. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. Goodbye.